Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
So these two are very important. The job profile and the location has to be mentioned at the time of the primary. Okay. Alright. And this is the location that we created. So this location will take effect for the particular worker. It doesn't matter what is the primary location of the supervisor organization, so that it did not prompt automatically. It doesn't say, okay, take the supervisor organization's location. Doesn't. It doesn't because it doesn't matter, it has no bearing. The primary location of the supervisor organization has no bearing on the location of the individual worker. Right. Click on Submit. Submit OK. Let me ask you this. If the page has submit at the bottom, what does it tell you? It goes for approval. It has a business process. It has a business process associated in with it. That is what we would say. We do not know if it has an approval on it, because we created a simplified version of the hire business process a few minutes ago. Right, and there we did not put in any approval or anything. We just left it as it is one step. So the moment you create the business, you initiate the business process, it will be completed because there are no other steps. That's what we did. So now, once you submit, if you see this green tick mark, that means it went through successfully. There are the processes complete. There is no other pending action. You may want to click on View Details to see what happened. Expand the details and process. And you see that, okay, there is this position P0, 60 for 9. WWCEO. The process is hire Daniel Flow, and the overall status is successfully completed. For this supervisory organization is called now. You can view the details. This was the position. The employee type is regular, the job profile location. Everything that we selected is showing up. Alright, and how did it get the 38 as the location? Weekly hours. It was time for the time and where did we select this location? Location. Yes. In the location. So in the location, we selected the time profile standard hours as 38. Yeah, Mohan. Question. Alright. And where did you know breaking away? Are not able to. Is my voice breaking for everybody? No, not so. No, not. Okay. Mohan, it might be a problem with your computer. Can I just try to disconnect and reconnect again and see if that helps? Alright. So why he does that, okay. And where did all this additional information come from? The job categories in the direct labor classification management level, etc. Where did this? Some from profile. Absolutely. From the job profile. So all this information came from the job profile. So when we created the job profile yesterday, we had put in all this information. Right. So now it says that the process is successfully completed. So what do we expect if we go to the supervisory organization XYZ Motors? Now we have a member. You see, initially there were no members, but now we have a member. The member is Daniel Sloan. Got it. So we will hire a worker. So the first task is complete. So here we have a question. Before approval, we are able to see here through that member. Yes, because we simply find the business process. We got rid of the approvals. We said no approvals necessary when we start the hiring process. Okay. We just want to create a simplified version now. We will do approvals when we do business process. We will make it really, really complicated and realistic. But as of now, we just created a very simple business process for hire. So that there is only one step. The moment you initiate it, it will be completed. Nothing else. I have another doubt. So when we submit after a hire ing employee, we will get a green tick mark. Is it any kind of error we get after while doing that? Yes, you may get errors. You may get errors. If your task is not authorized, if the process has not been defined properly, you will get errors. So that is the reason I created a copy of the business process. Made it simple. Then I started the hiring process. Yes. I mean, if the process has not been defined properly, if the roles have not been set, you will get errors. Yeah, so that's why please follow along the assignment steps properly. First in the assignment set. Okay, let me show the assignment as well. So it will ask you the pre-supported organizations. You know how to do it. Then organization assignments. You know how to create organization assignments. Set hiring restrictions. You will set some hiring restrictions. But here create hire and hiring restrictions. Business process OK. Click on the XYZ Motors related actions and select business process. Create copy or link definition. That is exactly what I did. Select the hire business process type. Make sure none of the above option is selected and click OK. Alright, on the business process definition. Leave only step A and click OK. This is exactly what I did. Now, what did this help us to do? This helped us to create a hire business process with only one step, that is, the initiation. So we do not have any approvals, etc., or review as of now. We just have one step, that is initiation. Just a very simplified version, just to help you understand the process of hiring. Okay. So we hired this worker. Now, what should we do in this particular organization? Who is the manager? No. Okay. So now we have assigned the role of man. We have hired Daniel's throw it right. So we can assign the role of manager to Daniel's throw. Right. How to do that? Anybody, let us take a try. How to assign the role of manager to Daniel's throw later actions roles as I know. Perfect. Later actions. Alright. It's time to go. I find roles. You guys are doing great. So 16th of March, we will select today's stage. And then we will select the role that we want to assign. Okay. So we will assign the role of manager. Is that the top? Let's search for manager. Afresh. While I am creating a supervisor organization and assigning roles, there are too many manager objects. Which one do I select? And then I select. Yeah. Select the one which. Let me see. Even I am confused now. Because people have created too many managers. Alright. Let's make a look at the other one. I have to clean it up. Either me will do. Either me or somebody has.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.